to the channel, to the video, to the vlog, to whatever you guys want to call it. Today's video, man, I went ahead and I installed it at work, but I have video of it being done, which I'll put
almost 3 minutes, huh? You're from California, right?
with this of it being done, but I went ahead and put it in the car and I'm liking it already. But it's, yeah, I'm not even going to give spill too much of the beans, but yeah, this is pretty nice. I think it's my first custom anything that I have done inside the car. And yeah, but today's video is about that and what I'm about to do here in about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to meet some people, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this thing that I just installed today, about this morning, before I went to work and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. I had it custom stitched for me and the channel. I thought it was pretty cool, something different, something unique, one of a kind type thing. Like I said, I have more to the video on that of it being done and, you know, all that good jazz. But yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. You know, what you think, if you like it or not. Would you have done that in your vehicle if you were driving it as a daily, not as a race vehicle, just as a daily? Would you have done it to protect the dashboard? That's the only reason why I got it, is to protect the dashboard and see if it really protects the dashboard like they say. I am on my way to meet some guys. I gotta be there in 15-20 minutes, which, you know, I should be there. Should have been there sooner, but I had to stop by the house and change clothes real quick and all that good jazz. But yeah, these people are driving how I should be driving right now. But not saying I can't afford a ticket, but I don't want a ticket. I don't want a ticket because speeding, you know, it causes accidents. And just like I was driving earlier today when I was at work, and this person literally ran the stop sign. No intentions of stopping, no yield, no nothing, just ran the stop sign, and the light had been green no more than 10 minutes on my side. And like I said, if I would have been any sooner, I would have got hit. Like, I would have got plowed. in the company vehicle because the simple fact is the person did not stop. But, you know, I would have got in trouble too because the fact is that's one of those things that they require of my job is to pay attention to what's going on at all times. Make sure even if the light's green, you still do kind of like a courtesy thing to make sure it's okay to go or whatever may be the case. Not just go and then something happens and then, you know, you're trying to explain that to the job why this happened when you should have did the what they call the scan of everything to make sure, you know, even though the light's green, you just don't take off. You make sure you scan to make sure there's no cars coming and nobody trying to beat traffic or beat the light thinking they're going to beat the light and they don't beat the light and then they run you over. But yeah, that was my phone. It just went off. I don't know who that was, but let's see. I don't know if it was a text. No, I should be texting and driving. And that was just a text to see if I was on my way or not. So yeah, I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way to see you and the crew. You know what I mean? So I think I want to start something here in Amarillo with imports, if it's possible, with imports. You know, because everybody has their, you know, their group of domestics and all the other ones, but nobody has, as far as I know, a group or a crew or whatever you call it for imports. You know, all imports, doesn't matter what import you drive, as long as it's an import. Mainly what the people I'm going to see, they're driving Hondas, but imports to me is Hondas, Acuras, I don't know what else, you know, Hondas, Acuras, Nissans, some of the Nissans, especially the GTRs and the GSRs. The GTRs, that's an import, but simple fact is, you know, I am going to say that I would love to do something like that, you know, start something like that, something different. You know, everybody else has one, but we don't have one here, and I would love to start something to that caliber here, to get, you know, not saying exposure, but just to say simple fact is, you know, to have something to do and make it where we're doing something, or if the guys are off or whatever, we can just set up a time and then we all just have a meet and greet, and then when we start adding more people, just keep doing it or whatever. Because I remember back in the day when I headed, when I used to hang around on 45th, man, it was one of those things is like people would meet at just obvious times. They would be meeting right now, and then we'll be going to this person's house or going to the park, and we're having a powwow at the park, and then we'll go over here, and then we're having this and this, and you know, we had a big gathering. But it's in fact is it wasn't just cars, it was just people meeting and meeting new people bringing out more people, and everybody's, you know, mingling and all that good jazz. But anyway, you know, meeting everybody, and you know, they're bringing their friends and their friends bringing their friends, and you know, just then people hear, oh, you guys did this, you guys did this. Well, yeah, because the fact is, it was something we did, and everybody knew everybody because of this, and they knew this person because of this, and it was just cool. But yeah, enough chitter-chattering about that. I'm going to see if I can resume and pick up once I get there, see how it goes. I don't know how many people's going to be there or whatever, but yeah, I'll resume the video here shortly when we get there and I'll figure out what's going on.